Well guys, our journey continues from Wanaka. We head over towards Arrowtown on the great roads. Unbelievable riding. We get into town, we have whiskey, we have pizza, we have beers. We just have a damn good time. We sit in hot pools. So here it is guys, our little bit of time in Arrowtown. Enjoy. So we're arriving into Arrowtown, which is really a cool, I guess, quirky little, charming little town. It's an old gold rush village. It's got the Arrow River behind it. Some magnificent peaks you can hike up above it as well. So we'll check out the little village here. So later on we'll check out these little historic buildings. I think there's about 60. There's well over 100 kilometres of walking tracks. You've got the beautiful river behind, which we'll check out later as well. Great little bars, restaurants, little wine bar, cafe, whiskey bar. We just love Arrowtown. This one right here, guys. Now I've had some of theirs before. I do tend to go for my sherry casks more so than my peats and stuff, and I'm a bit of a space side drinker. So I'm probably going to try this one. Oh, geez, that's all right, eh? Come back into this den. I love this joint, eh? Alrighty, guys. Well, that was good. So now it's time to try a New Zealand whiskey called Scapegrace. Here it is. Let's give it a whirl. This one here I found that one a little bit warmer. Quite nice so far. I'm loving this one, but I'm going to give this a shot. Alright, we're carning. What you need to build in the backyard, isn't it? We've hiked up there. We've hiked up there before, but that's the view from where we stayed and where we're staying tonight. We're just going to head into town, get a bit of breakfast, and we love Arrowtown, so we're going to just chill out here for a day or two. Cruise. You got to come here. You just have to come here. Well, after our amazing relaxing time at Onson Hot Pools, we need to head back into Queenstown and get a refuel, because tomorrow we're going to head out and check out a bit more of Queenstown. So off for fuel we go. It ain't cheap over here. $2.62 for regular 91, I